Renting a property in Dubai can be daunting. However, if you follow these simple steps, it really doesn't need to be. Make sure that you are comfortable with your monthly rent. Don't forget to account for other costs such as diwa and chiller that may not be included in the rent. Now for the fun bit! Get out there and find your dream home. But be quick, the best properties are getting snapped up. Once you've found your new pad, your agent will negotiate with the landlord for you and help you reserve the unit. You will need copies of both your Emirates ID and your visa. A RERA unified tenancy contract will be drawn up, which should include any additional clauses which have been agreed with the landlord, such as maintenance. If it isn't in the contract, it isn't enforceable. Your landlord cannot raise your rent during the contract period. Upon signing the contract, you'll be asked to provide post-dated checks in the name of the landlord for the rent, a check in the name of the landlord for the deposit, and a check in the name of your broker's company for the commission. Once all parties have signed and checks have been deposited, you'll be able to register the property with a Jari and get your DIWA set up. For a Jari, you will need copies of your tenancy contract, the landlord's ID, the title deed, and a 195 dirham fee. If the property is managed by Better Homes, our property management team will be able to do all of this for you. Finally, with your Jari set up, you can set up your DIWA. You will need to pay 110 dirhams and a deposit of 2,000 dirhams for an apartment or 4,000 dirhams for a villa, and services will be activated within 24 hours. Now you can sit back and enjoy your new home. Oh, and don't forget to leave a Trustpilot review.